Hello everyone, you are still watching Pilipinas Gising Ka Na Ba? And it is Mickey Joy here on Sound Connections. Thank you for the emails and the text messages that you keep sending to us. We hope to learn more about you through these. Anyways, I'll be bringing you cool tips for today. I know most of you guys out there are a lot of you that want to put up a band. First question that would come across your mind is, what should the name of our band be? Remember that here on Sound Connections, we want not only to just give you the best sounds, but we want, of course, to deliver information to you. Here's our tips for young bands out there. It is very, very common for a new band to go through dozens of names. So don't stress too hard when thinking of a name for your band. Although the name is important, it is not the only factor to your band. Please make sure you also know how to play music. Have fun with the names until you find something you really want to stick with. Be sure to remember that the name of a band is not a reason to fight with other members. Make sure you all agree on a name and it is something that suits everybody in the band. In line with that, let's learn more about personal experiences of our featured band for today. The success of newer rockers like Sugar Free has spawned more than just hit singles. It has also given birth to new bands out there, all seemingly eager to jump on the sensitive rock bandwagon. One group that sound like they want to be part of the genre's next big thing is a band with the, you have to admit, band named as Join the Club. Cool name, right? Made up of lead vocalist and guitarist B-Boy Renia, guitarist Migs Mendoza, bassist Kanji Lulu, and drummer Pau Santiago. Join the Club specializes in lovelorn lyrics, driving bass lines, and an energetic showing at the drums. Okay, it's not a combination you haven't encountered before, but in the interest of fairness, let's take a closer look at their music. Here's Binks for Pinoys.
Pilipinas, gising ka na ba? Ako si Binks at kasama ko na naman kayo dito sa Pinoys. 100% noise ready, 100% music, 100% Pinoy. Ngayon, very special ang i-interviewin ko. Makakasama ko at makakakulitan ko ang Join the Club dahil sasali ako sa club nila. Tara, let's check them out! Hello! Kasama ko kayo ngayon at kasama ko ang Join the Club. Yan! Mas kikilalanin natin sila ngayon.
Ako si Migs, guitars and second vocals. Ako rin si B-Boy.
Thank you, Miguel. Ako nga pala si B-Boy, guitar vocals ng Join the Club.
Ako nga pala si Pao, drums saka backing vocals. Konji, bassist.
Tanong ako, Join the Club. Tama ba yung pagkakaintindi ko, singles club ba to or heartbroken club?
Oo, ito yung club na pagising mo sa umaga, magtatanong ka kung kasali ka nga ba talaga sa club namin. Dahil kung hindi ka kasali, join the club.
Anong club nga to? Tungkol sa puso.
Actually, statement to itong club na to, itong join the club. The name speaks for itself. It's a statement. Join the club. Kahit anong club, kahit malungkot ka or masaya ka, basta gusto mo makisaya sa amin, join the club.
So sa mga naalala ko, pag narinig ko yung mga kanta nyo, medyo may pagka, lalo na pag nagpo-perform kayo, parang postal service. Kasi pag pinakinggan mo sila, di ba, happy, good vibe. Pero pag pinakinggan mo yung lyrics, medyo heartbroken, medyo deep. So pag-usapan natin, medyo, kaya beautiful irons. Sino-sino bang nagsusulat sa inyo? Lahat?
Lahat kami nagsusulat, pero dito sa album na to, mga sa akin yung mga ibang songs. Siguro sa next mga darating na albums, makikita rin natin yung mga works ng aking mga kabanda.
Nakikita mo sila, colorful masyado, kaya you can't help but smile pagkasama tong group na to. Anong pinagkakaabalahan nyo kung hindi kayo nagjo-join the club? Kung mayroon man time na hindi,
Actually, kaya ako sila tinuro kasi ako yung madalas kasing maraming ginagawa. Pagka wala nang ginagawa, join the club. Silang dalawa, please pakitanong.
Kami naman, nagkakaroon kami ng sarili naming championship tournament. Tekken tournament. Pagka tapos na yung practice, tas wala masyadong vacant time, tas magkakasama kami.
Si Huwarang. Idol ko yun eh. Saka si, Nina.
Ito. Tingnan mo yung sapatos nila. Ano ba yan? Dance club ba ito? Para kayong sasayaw, ah?
Parang Elvis fans club siya. And 12-year-old rock star.
So, sino-sino yung mga ibang Pinoy bands na pinakikinggan nyo din?
Pinakikinggan ko yung Barpains, River Maya, Eraserheads, at marami pang lumay.
Ako Hindi, ako madalas kong pakinggan talaga kahit nung bata pa ako. Hindi ko na may tatuwa sa aking sarili ng aking pagkahumaling sa Eraserhead.
Love River Maya.
Saka idol niya
Si Buddy Sabala. I love you, Buddy.
Pa, kamusta naman ang love life? Since yan ang pinaka-root ata ng mga may mga nagwo-walk out. Bakit kaya? Tanungin natin kung bakit sila nagwo-walk out.
Wala nang tanungan tungkol sa love life.
Sinong maraming chicks dito? Ibulong mo.
Hindi mo na kailangang i-pinpoint kung sino yung pinaka cute. So, hindi. Ang pinakamaraming chicks dito yung pakisakto sa smile ng dimples. Hindi. Pinaka-cute dito, siya yung may mohawk, siya yung maraming chicks.
Yun nga eh. Thankful kami sa Warner tsaka sa Red Drum. Ito po yung aming manager, si Tanya. Ito po yung manager namin, si Tanya. Ayan. Thankful po kami sa blessings na nakukuha namin ngayon.
Pwede paki-focus dun sa
Tsaka ito yung barkada namin eh. Mga rock and roll to.
Naku, kailangan na natin i-cut to dahil tutugtog na to maya-maya. Pero mamaya makikita natin, ewan ko kung nakikita nyo, pero makikita natin yung mga bits and pieces ng tugtog. Oh, ano?
1, 2, 3!
Ang kulit talaga nila. Oh, ano lang, message to mga broken-hearted, yung mga gustong mag-join the club.
Sa mga tao, niya ako. Bili po kayo ng album namin. Join the Club, Nobela under Warner Music and Red Drum Music.
And thank you sa On TV! You rock!
Naguluhan ako na. Pero yan, thank you so much, guys. Woo! Talaga naman nag-enjoy ako dun sa kulitan namin ng Join the Club. Ngayon, ayun na, tumutugtog na sila. Kaya kailangan mag-bye na ako for now. Check us out ulit next week sa kung sino ang bandang makakasama ko. Thank you so much sa Warner Music Philippines at sa manager na si Tanya ng Join the Club. And siyempre sa mga boys ng Join the Club, thank you so much. Ayan po, Vince Figueroa, Pinoy!
That's what we have for today. Watch and see for yourself more featured artists and bands here on Sound Connections. Hope you'll stick with us as you learn more music and information on the #1 alternative channel. That's UN Television. We never signed off, but we have to bid goodbye at the moment. See you Monday for another music escapade here on Sound Connections. Stay connected and continue watching Pilipinas. Gising ka na ba?